You must remain and view the complete video we have for you today if you're looking for an easy and quick approach to generate money online. In today's video, you'll learn about a brand new batch of websites that will compensate you $10 for each click. These websites will blow your mind because they are cutting edge and brand new. Every website we're going to present to you today is certainly 100% free and open to users from all around the world. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. The first website we'll share with you today is called Surfbox.com. This is how their website seems. If you scroll down, you can see that this website has speedy payments, detailed statistics, and pay out $0.01 for each click and $0.01 for each referral click. Consider that it is per click, even if it doesn't sound like hundreds of thousands or millions. Although this is just an estimate, 500,000 clicks per day are achievable. If you do receive 500,000 clicks every day, $5,000 will be earned in a single day. The payment options that are accepted on this website are Payer and Perfect Money. They unfortunately do not accept PayPal. However, the websites that follow do accept PayPal in addition to a wide variety of other payment options. Make sure you're still there for it. To start making money with this website, simply click the register button in the top right corner of your computer, which should take you to this page. Click register to create an account, then enter your username, email address, and password to get started earning money right away. The next website we have is called Scarlet Clicks. To access their website, simply type scarlet-clicks.info into your browser. As soon as you visit their website, you'll see this. Click ads. Get paid up to $0.01 for ad you click. Earn up to 100% from referrals. You can get money by clicking advertisements, finishing deals, and referring new users. After that, you can withdraw money using your Skrill, Neteller, Payer, RTM, or Bitcoin account. Simply $2 is the minimal payout amount. As members, we can make up to $1 every click. Skrill, Neteller, Payer, RTM, and Bitcoin are all accepted as payment methods, and the minimum payout is shockingly low at $2. You might receive up to 100% of referral commissions, detailed click-through statistics on your recommendations, along with expert assistance. To register here, just click register in the top right corner of the screen. You should then be able to do so by following the on-screen directions. You'll have a user account in no time. Serp.com, the third website, is the greatest for us. They are real clickers like us. There are no bots here. As you can see, grow your SEO rank utilizing crowdsourced click traffic is affordable, easy to use, and can be set up in under a minute. So there are a potential for success for everyone. When a company owner pays Surfbox will take a portion of that payment and distribute it to the people who registered as clickers, which includes us. The ability to earn between $0.05 and $0.10 for each click is this site's biggest feature. As a result, if you were able to make 0.01 cents per click on the other websites, you could make between 0.05 cents and 10 cents on this website, which is absurdly more than the other websites. Additionally, there is a $5 reward minimum and a 10% referral commissions. Although it is still amazing, the cost is a little bit higher than on the previous website. However, that is understandable considering that their pay per click is more than that of the preceding websites. As you can see, all of their clickers are paid out via PayPal, which is great because it eliminates the requirement for you to submit an application. Anyone from any nation is eligible to work for Surfbox. No one is screened or interviewed for a job. We value a website that considers everyone, and this is an excellent choice for quick cash in nations with few employment opportunities. Simply pick Become a Clicker from the product menu on the homepage to access the page and register. You may sign up easily by clicking the Click Here to Get Started button, which will allow you to start making money right away. The fourth and last website for today is called Whysense.com. Compared to the earlier ones we showed you, this has more opportunities to earn money. As you can see, It states that among many other things, you can get money by downloading apps, registering for websites, viewing videos, and more. Compared to our prior websites, this one has the most ways to make money. This is another fantastic way to boost your monthly income and revenue. You can have a say in how future goods and services are developed in addition to earning money from free paid surveys. Additionally, there is a referral scheme, so spread the word about Whysense and watch your earnings increase. You might receive up to 30% of what your referrals are paid. You can be paid with Skrill, Pioneer, PayPal, and Amazon gift cards, among other payment methods. There are various alternatives available. You may just click Join Now to sign up, follow their sign up steps, and begin making money. That's it then. Try all the website at once if you can. You'll be earning hundreds, if not thousands, of cash each day. You won't even need to lift a finger. Nothing is expected of you. If you merely click a few times, make a few clicks, and leave a few links, your money will start coming in like wildfire on complete autopilot. Therefore, give it a shot. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.